The trigonometric Fourier series of an even function does not have the DC term, cosine term, sine terms, odd harmonic terms. Okay. He's asking for a even function, which terms will not exist in the Fourier series. Okay. Directly remember this statement, and also I will prove with an example. Even functions, sine terms are absent. For odd functions, DC term and cosine terms are absent. What am I saying? Even functions will not have sine terms at all. I am not commenting on cosine terms and DC terms. They may be or they may not be. But for even functions, definitely all sine terms are absent. For odd functions, DC term and cosine terms all are absent. Okay. Let us check this. First of all, what is Fourier series? Fourier series is a representation for only periodic functions. Okay, any periodic function f of t can be written as Fourier series, that is equal to a naught plus sigma I equal to 1 to infinity plus sigma I equal to 1 to infinity ai cos I omega t plus sigma j equal to 1 to infinity bj sin j omega t. What is j omega? Omega is 2 pi by capital T. I am saying Fourier series can be only written for periodic signals, which means for periodic signals there is some time period. That time period I am saying omega. Okay. Means I am converting the whole periodic signal in terms of cosines and sines and with some DC component a naught. How to find these constants a naught, ai, bj's? A naught is nothing but the average of f of t, that is 1 by t integral over a time period t f of t dt. ai is 2 by t over a time period t integral f of t cos omega t dt. bj is 2 by t integral over a time period t f of t sin j omega t dt. And ai is 2 by t integral over a time period t f of t cos I omega t dt. A naught is the whole average 1 by t into integral of f of t dt over a time period t. Okay. See, if we take an example for suppose a function in this way f of t. Okay, here I am taking it from minus t by 2 to t by 2. This is the time period t, right? This is the time period t. This is what an even function, because whatever is on the right side, same exactly symmetry is on the left side. For even function, what is my claim? There is no sine terms at all. So bj's are all zeros I am saying. All these bj's are 0, which means the sine terms are not present. See here. Bj's give the sine terms. These all bj's are 0, which means sine terms are absent. We shall check bj. Bj formula is this directly. So bj is equal to 2 by t. Okay. Integral over a time period t means minus t by 2, t by 4 to t by 4. Actually minus t by 2 to t by 2. But minus t by 2 to minus t by 4 it is 0. So we need not consider that part. Minus t by 4 to t by 4. Actually minus t by 2 to t by 2, but it is 0 outside this limit. So no need to consider. Let us take this as 1. Maximum 1 sin j omega t, j into 2 pi by capital T, t, since omega is 2 pi by capital T. So solve for this. bj equal to 2 by t, integral of sine is cos minus cos j 2 pi by capital T into t into 1 by j 2 pi by capital T. Okay. And the limits are from minus t by 4 to t by 4. Cos j 2 pi by capital T into first time t by 4 minus cos j 2 pi by capital T into minus T by 4. Alright. Now, don't simplify this. Let us say cos phi. Whatever it is, cos phi minus cos. What is this? Because of minus, it is minus cos phi. Okay. This term 1 by pi j minus bj is. Now cos minus phi is equal to cos phi. Therefore, this whole term goes away. Therefore, bj is equal to 0. Which means what? There are no sine terms at all. This is what the important point is. So, for even functions, sine terms are absent. Even functions, sine terms are not present. So, this is okay. Now, for odd function, let us see. For odd function g of t, what is my claim? For odd function, there are no cosine terms and dc term. First of all, let us check the dc term. Let us take this as minus t by 2, t by 2. What does dc term say? A naught. That is nothing but average. Average is what? For a time period t, integral t f of t dt. A naught is how much? 1 by t from minus t by 2 to t by 2. Here the function is g of t dt. See here, a naught is how much? 1 by t integral minus t by 2 to 0 g of t dt plus integral 0 to t by 2 g of t dt. Right. What is g of t? From minus t by 2 to t by 2 it is 1, and from 0 to t by 2 it is minus 1, and it is 1 here. Right. So, or directly you can see the area under this integral is what? The area under f of t. That means that is this area. This is the area, total area, minus t by 2 to t by 2. That is 0, which is equal to 0. Or you can solve this also. Minus 1 like this and 1 like this. So 0. Okay. So first claim is what? For odd functions, dc term will not be there. It is correct. For any odd function you see, what happens for an odd function? Whatever is this side, same thing is this side. And minus t by 2 to t by 2. Therefore, they are cancelling each other on both sides. Therefore, odd terms, dc term is not present. Now, the second claim is cosine terms are absent. Let us check the cosine term. What does cosine term say? ai is 2 by t integral time period t, here g of t cos I omega t dt, right? ai into equal to 2 by t integral, here minus t by 2 to t by 2 g of t cos I omega t dt. But if you look at g of t, the g of t from minus t by 2 to 0 it is minus 1, 0 to t by 2 it is 1. Therefore, we should make this integral open, like separated integral. Minus t by 2 to 0. What is that? G of t is minus 1 into cos I omega t plus integral 0 to t by 2, and it is 1 cos I omega t dt. Now find this 2 by t. What is the integration of cos? Minus sine plus sine. Sine has cos directly, right? 2 by capital T into minus 1 is outside, and sine I omega t by I omega. Limits are from minus t by 2 to 0. The first term is this, plus 2 by t into 1 is here, and cos has sine I omega t and 0 to t by 2. This is nothing but 2 by t we can take common. Okay, let us simplify this. 2 by t into sine, first of all sine 0 is 0. Sine 0 minus sine I omega into minus t by 2 by I omega plus 2 by t into 1 sine I omega into t by 2 minus 0 here by I omega. Okay, this is 0. Now 2 by t minus into minus will become plus sine I omega into minus t by 2 will become t by 2 by omega, and this has minus. Sine minus theta is minus sine theta plus 2 by t sine I omega into t by 2 by I omega. So this and this will cancel. You need not substitute omega equal to 2 pi by t and see what happens. Directly these both, whatever be theta inside, these both are getting cancelled, which means all the aj's are equal to 0. ai's are equal to 0 or aj's are equal to 0. Okay. Okay, we called it ai. All the ai's are equal to 0, which means in this expansion, no ai is present and no dc term is present. Only sine terms are present. That is my claim. In odd functions, cosine terms and dc terms are absent, and even functions, sine terms are absent. Okay. So directly for this question, you can remember this result. Trigonometric Fourier series of an even function does not have, even function will not have what? Sine terms at all. Therefore directly this is the answer. If it was odd function, cosine terms and dc term both are absent. So C is the option here.